All right, so I'm just going to show you how to set up a Zoom meeting in Canvas, just so you can refer back to this whenever you need. Easy peasy. So if you just go to your course, and then let's go to Zoom, wherever you have it. Once you've done Zoom, we're going to go up to schedule a new meeting. If this doesn't load for whatever reason, you could always just try a different browser. So I'm using Chrome and it loads, but if yours doesn't, you could use, Microsoft Edge or Firefox or something else. But hopefully loads in Chrome. But always try a different browser if that doesn't work. So we're going to go to schedule a new meeting. So we're going to start our first meeting. So I believe that's going to be January, let's call it January 3rd for when classes return. And let's say it's going to be at noon, 12 p.m. Let's just call it 2 hours. It doesn't really matter because once you end it, it's over. We're going to say that this is a recurring meeting. It's going to happen weekly on, if this is Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, you'd say on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And we're going to end it by, I think the 21st of January is the last day of classes for the winter quarter. So it's starting on the 3rd, 2 hours. It's recurring every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And it's going to end by this date. Okay. I'm going to turn the waiting room off just so you are not having to monitor it as people are joining, and they'll just join automatically. You can leave everything exactly the way the rest of it is. You can do this mute participants upon entry if you want, just so their mics aren't on when they first join. And then we're going to click save. So that is it. That is all there is to it. As far as letting your students know that this is happening, you can click this copy meeting invitation button, and it's going to put all this craziness in there. And we're going to go to copy meeting invitation, copy it. So I can then, instead of clicking on Zoom, go over to like announcements over here. Click on announcements, and I can add an announcement. And I could say Zoom meeting link for winter quarter, and hopefully learn to type properly. Here is the relevant information for our online classes for the rest of the quarter. And then you can just paste that in there. And that is it. So then once I click save, it's going to save it. And then now that announcement has been posted to all of your students. And when they log in, that they will see that this is here for them. So good times had by all. So you can check and see what the student view is going to look like. And they'll see all of the information in there. So, and then they could also know to just click on Zoom. And they'll also see that meeting there as well. And they'll be able to join, on that day. And Bob's your uncle. So that is how you do that.